Hey guys, I just got the Merryway Android head unit for the Jaguar F-Type. Just came in via DHL Express from China not very long ago. I went ahead and took the shipping label off and cut the tape open. But I just want to point out here it does say from Merryway Tech in China, shipped here to New York. Otherwise, the box is in pretty decent condition. Doesn't look as bad as other boxes I've seen, especially coming overseas. So that's promising. So let's get into it. We have the Intelligent Car multimedia entertainment system, which is very descriptive. Looks like I got the right thing. Anyways. Oh, and we have a accessory here. Alright, now what do we got here? Alright, so we got this guy. And then we have the box here. It says, let's see, new 100% and number 1. And here's some of the features. Android, car style UI, and USB and all that stuff, so that's good. Oh, check it out. Okay, so we have a sticker here which says Jaguar F-Type, Android 6.0, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of memory, screen size, and there's a checkbox here for Bosch or Harman. So 13 to 15 is Bosch, 16 to 18 is the Harman system that came in the Jag. I have a 15 type R, so I have the Bosch system. Oh, and it says resistive as well, which is one thing they were asking initially for you to clarify. Let's see what we have here in this guy. Looks like a dongle. Here we have a dongle. Looks like just a regular USB dongle there. Nothing too fancy. It's white, so I'd imagine that could be an Apple dongle. But as you can see there, it's universal, so it could be for anything. Not just Apple. Let's put that guy back. All right, let's get on to the main goods. Okay, looks like the sticker is cut there. Jenny did say she tested this unit prior to sending it to me in a Jaguar F-Type. So I don't know if this is the unit she used or if she sent me just another one, but it was the same unit. We have a manual here, not in English. Let's see if there's an English portion. I'm not sure what that is. Some sort of checklist. Suppose here we have a manual. Looks like a user guide. Really. Looks like an F-pace there. No English to be found. The pictures do show there's a Jag and a Range Rover. Okay, so this is interesting. These specs are all wrong, or at least they're not at all what was put on the box. It's a Android 4.4. It's got 1 gig of memory. Yeah. So I don't know how much I would. This is probably a generic, manual for the unit. Let's put that aside. And looks like we have the screen here. Alright. Looks good. Looks about 10.25 inch. Has a protector on it, which screen looks nice. So it's not a reflective screen, which is good. You do not want that in a car. The bezel is gloss black. Looks good. Looks like it just came out of the mold. It's there's no. Yeah, finish looks good. I don't see any rough parts of the paint. Yeah, looks solid. Good looking unit. Let's take a look at the back. Alright, okay. Jaguar F-Type, again, the same sticker we saw on the box. We have some components here. We have, oh, there's a USB dongle thing. We have a unspecified, looks like an optic connection. As well as, so you can see that we got looks like two connectors, multi-pin connectors, and I don't see, other than that, I don't see any other connection points at all, so that's cool. Got the holes in it already, and looks like it would fit anyways. Let's see what we got in our little pile of goodies here. Alright, where do we start? Alright, we got a foam adhesive, guys, maybe for some sound dampening or vibration dampening. This is a speaker, I guess. Looks like a cigar humidifier, but I guess, I don't know. I suppose it's a speaker, I'm not sure. Here's the main harness. Okay, so couple connectors already. They're tied together right now. Looks like we have this, I'm assuming, is one of the connectors for the harness in the head unit. And this probably looks like this is the internal connections, and these connections attach to an existing wiring harness, if I had to guess. Got a lot of components here. Little 2-pin guy. This is interesting. These are, yeah, okay, so I wasn't anticipating that. Here's some, these are wires. I don't know, there's no, like I said, there's no instructions here. I don't know if these need to be used or not. But there are, does look like, yeah, this says DVR, says nothing that I can read. DVR accessory. I don't know if these are options. This says accessory. I don't know if these are required to be wired up or if they're like third-party accessories. I guess I will find out when we do the install. All right. What else we got here? This is a connector. Looks like it's a connector for the fiber connection on the screen itself. We have a female and a male component. Okay, GPS antenna, which isn't, okay, that's interesting. Sort of thought it was just going to use the factory GPS, but maybe I'm incorrect there. And this is a microphone, definitely. 3.5mm. I did not see a 3.5mm input there. Yeah, no, never mind. I take that back. It looks like there is a 3.5mm female end here on the wiring harness. So that will have to go somewhere. I got some screws here, and I got some zip ties. So no installation instructions at all. I will say it looks like it has everything we need wiring wise. The screen looks nice. The quality of the bezel is nice. So hopefully the install goes pretty easily, and we have a working head unit. Great. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out my channel. I got some other videos. We got a air intake coming out for the V8 and V6 F-types, which sound really cool. You can see my car on the dyno with the intakes installed, and then check out our website. And I will be posting a written review as well as a installation review and a usage review, as well as a written install guide for the head unit here. And hopefully we can organize a group buy. So see ya.